Welcome to my channel ABC Kids Fair. Today we will learn about senses. Do you know we have how many senses? We have 5 senses. Now I will tell you in detail. We saw sun when we read book, and when we saw some trees, which sense we use? We use sight. We see with your eyes. Now here. Can you hear? Yes, you can hear with your ear. You can hear drum, music, any voice. Now touch with your hand. Touch the beautiful and soft teddy bear and also hold a glass. Now smell with your nose beautiful flower and perfume. Oh my god, garbage smell is very bad. Now taste a candy with your tongue. Chili, oh, it's very hot. Now taste the bitter gourd. Oh my god, it's very bitter. Thank you. Now thanks to Allah who made for us 5 senses, and thanks to you that you are watching our video. For more video, enjoy our channel. Now again I will show you 5 senses cards. Sight with your eyes. Hearing, you can hear with your ears. Now taste the ice cream with your tongue. Touch with your hand. And one thing more, smell with your nose.